Alright, welcome to my YouTube channel, A Square Made Easy Academy. Now, in my today's video, we shall be considering multiplication of matrix of unknown words, variables. Now, I want us to take a look at this question. So, I'm going to simplify it in a way even a layman must understand. I want you to watch. Now, look at the question. The question says, if matrix 3, 1, 2x times 2 and 3 is equal to y and what? 10. Now the question says find x and y. Find what? X and y. And look at the options. Now I'm going to solve this particular problem in a short form that everybody must understand. And what I want to say is that this is objective word question. Now before I should solve this question, there is what we call matrix. Simply, matrix is the arrangement of numbers, either in row or what? Columns. Now, let's take for instance, if something moves in this direction, it is called row arrangement. If the other one moves in this direction, it's called what? Column what? Arrangement. So, which means the modulus of row and column produces what we call what? Matrix. Are you with me now? Now, by the way, anytime you are solving multiplication of matrix, always consider row against what? Column. I said row against what? Column. Well, let's start. Now the question says we should find x. So what you're going to do, use a block method to multiply it. Very simple. This is called row arrangement, and this is called what? Column what? Arrangement. Now I want you to observe this. This is the first row in the question, right? So the numbers are 3 and what? 1. Are you with me? Now this one is the column, which is 2 and what? 3. So I'll write 2 and what? 3. Now everything should be equal to the first value, which is your y, which is your what? Y. Now with this, now we can solve the value of y. I want you to watch. How do we solve it? The first, we multiply with the first. Are you there? Then you add. The second, we multiply what? The second. Then how do we do it? Watch this. I will now say 3 times 2, which will definitely give me what? 6. Then I will do what? Add. Then the second multiplies with the second, which is 1 times what? 3, which will give me what? 3. Everything should be equal to what? Y. Hope you are following. Now can you see that 6 plus 3 is what? 9. So which means the value of y is equal to what? 9. And that is the first thing. Then we now move again to the next row, which is the second word, row. I will now draw my blocky form like this as well, and multiply it with the same word column. With the same word column. Hope you are following. Now if you observe this now, the second row, the values are what? 2 and x. So I will now go here and introduce 2. The next one is your word? X. Then still maintaining the same word column. Are you there? And the value is what? 2. The other one is what? 3. Now this time around is now equal to this value. And what is this value? It is what? 10. So can we dissolve it now? I want you to watch. The first one will multiply with the word first one, which is 2 times 2, which will give me word 4. Then now we add. This addition is always constant. Then the second one will multiply with the second one, which is x times 3, which will give me 3 words x. Everything should be equal to what? 10. So what is my target now? Is to make x subject of the word formula. I'll do what we call collection of like terms. So this is 4. We don't need it here. Take it to the right. Are you there? So leaving what? 3 words x is now equal to, this is 10, right? So by the time I transport this 4 to the right, it will give me minus what? 4. So which means the value of 3x should now be equal to what? 10 minus 4 is what? 6. So make x subject of the word formula. I will divide this by 3. I will divide this by what? 3. So which means 3 down, we cancel 3 what? Up. So x is now 6 over 3. And what is 6 over 3? The answer is what? 2. So we now say therefore the value of x comma y is now equal to x is what? 2, and the value of y is what? 9. Now let us check the option and know if there is something like that in the option. Now I want you to observe this option. Can you see it now? So which means the value of x and y is 2 comma what? 9. So that is how to solve it. Do you understand?